Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel SUV Auto. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Fenyr Supersport, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of design, power, and performance. Get ready for an in-depth look at this masterpiece, from its jaw-dropping exterior to its next-level interior and mind-blowing performance. Let's go! The 2025 Fenyr Supersport is the epitome of modern automotive design. At first glance, the aggressive lines, aerodynamic curves, and sharp angles scream speed and precision. The body is made from a lightweight carbon fiber composite, ensuring both strength and agility. The bold front features a low, wide stance with a distinctive LED headlamp design, cutting through the air with ease. Looking at the wheels, you'll notice 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. The rear end is equally impressive, with a massive rear diffuser and a dynamic active rear wing that adjusts to optimize aerodynamics at high speeds. The aggressive side vents and sleek rear design add to the car's overall performance-focused aesthetic. Now, stepping inside the Fenyr Supersport is like entering a world of luxury and technology combined. The cabin is minimalist yet functional, with a focus on performance driving. You're greeted by premium materials, a combination of leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. The center console features an intuitive touchscreen system, keeping you in control of all the car's advanced settings. The seats are designed for comfort and support, wrapped in fine leather with carbon fiber accents. The steering wheel, with its smooth grip, houses a range of controls, keeping the driver connected to the heart of the car. The dashboard is fully digital, providing real-time data on performance, navigation, and vehicle systems, all at your fingertips. Now let's talk performance, and this is where the 2025 Fenyr Supersport really shines. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an astonishing 1,300 horsepower. This powerhouse propels the Fenyr from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.7 seconds. And with a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, it's a true competitor among the fastest cars on the planet. Handling? Absolutely incredible. The Fenyr's advanced suspension system, paired with its lightweight structure and dynamic torque vectoring, makes it a joy to drive on both winding roads and straightaways. The car's braking system is just as impressive, with carbon ceramic brakes that ensure precise control at extreme speeds. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Fenyr Supersport, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive technology and design. See you next time.